So how do you make a text shorter? And I'll tell you why it's shorter, okay, in a second, okay? So how do you make the text shorter? You go ahead and you highlight it. But what do I highlight? You highlight the things that will help you remember what the topic is about. That's what you're going to highlight. And then you might be wondering now, okay, Fabi, but how is the text shorter when I highlight? The thing is, guys, so to me, okay, in my opinion, everyone who's doing the IELTS test, the reading part, you guys should read the text first and then go to the questions. That's my personal opinion, okay? I have helped a lot of people, and that's what works for most people, okay? So you go there and you highlight, you read the text first and highlight whatever you think is important, whatever will help you remember what's in the paragraph. And then you go to the questions. So when you go to that question, when you go back to the text, you don't have to read the text again. You just go where you highlight it. That's how you make the text shorter, okay? So basically, guys, you focus on what you highlighted. Okay, so that's what I've been telling a lot of people. That's what I do myself if I have to read something, okay? And this strategy has helped so many people, okay? Again, maybe the first time you do it can be a little bit tricky. Okay, maybe it'll take a little bit longer. So that's why we practice for the exam, right, guys? So maybe try that, okay? So just go ahead and read the text first, highlight whatever you think is important, highlight whatever is going to help you remember what the topic is for that specific paragraph. And then when you go to the questions, you go back and then you will see everything that you highlighted and you pay attention to that. Okay, just go ahead and pay attention to that. All right.